Hello traders, I would like to recap the events of the last 2 days, March 9th and March 10th. Yesterday, market in free fall, trading halted twice on both S&P and Dow. What are we discussing with students? This is crucial support that will determine markets for days to come. 2700 critical support on S&P. 24 hours later, S&P is up 100 points. Dow 23,500 crucial support, despite trading being halted and Dow collapsing 2,000 plus points. Intelligent trader knows to expect bullish reversal from this support. Here we are, 24 hours later, Dow is up 1,200 points. This morning, both markets in perfect place at critical day trading support. Intelligent trader extremely well prepared. Intelligent trader knows trading range. This is a trading range. This is a market we've been dealing with. This. Software identifies everything in advance, never after the fact. Intelligent trader knows where to enter, where to exit a trade. Black and white. And this is what Alpha Fibonacci traders accomplished. Trading less than 30 minutes per day. Manu 20 points Dow. Manu in Malaysia, Marco in Italy. Despite extreme events in Italy, Marco doing extremely well. 5 points S&P, Emmanuel. 15 points S&P, less 20 points and 3 points S&P. Canada, Jean, Scotland and Texas, 10 points Dow. And this is one of the historical events in the trading room. Why? Because Jennifer is Emmanuel's wife. This is her first trade. Jennifer just started this week. 3 points on S&P. Incredible job, Jennifer. Incredible honor when student brings his wife to the course. Khalid dipped his toes into options. 2 SPX points with options. Khalid near Chicago. David 22 points, S&P 13.5. And that's incredible job. Incredible community of traders. And that's an honor to have Jennifer on board. Jean continue updating us. More and more points on Dow. All the traders are done. How long did trading lasted? Less than 30 minutes this morning. You do not need to sit and stare at the computer. Never, ever, ever. What you need? Quality trading. What you need? Very clear understanding of price action. So if Jennifer can do this first week in the course, if all of these traders can do this with different experiences, different backgrounds, despite extreme market conditions, despite extreme conditions in their home countries, so can you. All you have to do, stop being reactive trader. All you have to do, turn off the noise, turn off the news, trade the price. Buy from support, sell from resistance. It will never end. And this morning market was absolutely flawless. And that's what intelligent strategic traders have done. And when price will collapse all the way down to this support, what would intelligent trader do again? Monitor for long. And what else does intelligent trader knows? When this support is out on Dow, Dow will collapse to this level next. When this support is out on S&P, S&P will collapse to this support next. We identify all in advance. Never ever after the fact. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's how intelligent strategic traders trade. Being proactive, not reactive traders, strategizing their trades well in advance. So if you're ready to become intelligent strategic trader like Alpha Fibonacci traders share this morning, I look forward working with you. Choose from 4 options available to you. With lifetime license with software, 3 months live or 6 months private mentoring classes, which include live guided trading, live classes, extensive video libraries that you can view 24/7. And if you're trading on all the other platforms and you choose not to use software, not a problem. You have that option available to you. If you'd like to see more of what Alpha Fibonacci traders do, simply click on Reviews section. It's being constantly updated with podcasts, testimonials, and videos from students. Because if these students can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. It's joy and pleasure working with intelligent, brilliant traders who are making an effort. Joy and pleasure to have Jennifer on board. First week in the course. Thank you, traders.